Welcome to this lovely home in the heart of Culpeper. A perfect 10 awaits you. Formal living, formal dining, gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances and granite open up to a family room and morning room. Perfect for entertaining. 4 large-sized bedrooms on the upper level and 2 full baths provide plenty of space. The unfinished basement allows you to make it what you want. Come in and see all this home has to offer.